You see, we all know about the stock market, real estate, and the likes, but today, we're going to venture into uncharted territory. We're going to explore 9 uncommon assets that are like the hidden treasures of the investment world. And guess what? They're making savvy investors just like you a boatload of money. These aren't your everyday investments. They are secret weapons, guarded by a select few in the know. But I've got my hands on this treasure map, and I'm sharing it with you. From vintage cars that appreciate faster than you can say supercar to investing in rare, tangible collectibles that make you a modern-day treasure hunter. We're revealing it all. We're talking about some unique opportunities that could potentially change your financial game forever. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because you won't want to miss out on these. Number 9. Antique and Vintage Toys. Starting from number 9, we have antique and vintage toys. Old collectibles can fetch incredible prices among collectors. Whether it's classic action figures, vintage Barbie dolls, or rare board games, the nostalgia factor can make these investments extremely valuable. What makes antique and vintage toys even more intriguing is the emotional connection people have with them. These toys often evoke cherished memories of childhood, making them highly sought after by enthusiasts and collectors. As a result, the demand for these items remains consistent, and their value tends to appreciate over time. Additionally, the rarity of certain toys plays a significant role in determining their worth. Limited edition toys, discontinued lines, and prototypes can command staggering prices in the collector's market. For example, vintage Star Wars action figures from the late 1970s are known to be among the most valuable ties, with some rare figures fetching thousands of dollars. If you're considering investing in antique and vintage toys, it's essential to do thorough research, attend toy fairs, and connect with other collectors to gain insights into the market. Remember that the condition of the toys, their packaging, and their historical significance can all affect their value. This unique investment avenue not only offers financial potential but also the chance to relive your childhood through the treasures you acquire. Number 8. Wine and Whiskey. Next, let's raise a glass to wine and whiskey. Investing in fine spirits and aged wines can yield a fantastic return on investment. The key is to buy and store these bottles in optimal conditions, and you might end up with a valuable collection. Wine and whiskey have a rich history and cultural significance that goes beyond their delightful taste. They have become a passion for connoisseurs and a source of investment for those with a discerning eye. What sets these investments apart is that they can evolve over time, much like a fine piece of art. When it comes to wine, certain vintages from renowned wineries have consistently appreciated in value. A bottle of wine that was purchased for a relatively modest sum a few decades ago can now command a princely sum at auction. Additionally, the concept of wine futures allows investors to buy wine while it's still in the barrel, potentially securing it at a lower cost before it matures. Similarly, whiskey, especially single malt Scotch, has seen remarkable growth in value. Limited edition releases, like those from distilleries such as Macallan or Ardbeg, have become highly sought after by collectors and investors. These bottles can gain significant value if kept in pristine condition. If you're considering wine and whiskey as an investment, it's crucial to educate yourself about the market, storage conditions, and the factors that influence the price of these spirits. Investing in wine and whiskey can be a blend of pleasure and profit for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Number 7. Music royalties. Investing in music royalties is another unique and intriguing option. Owning the rights to songs and albums can generate passive income as long as the music continues to be popular. Music royalties offer investors a piece of the entertainment industry's profits. When you invest in music royalties, you essentially become a stakeholder in the income generated from the songs you hold rights to. This can include income from sales, streaming, radio play, licensing for films or commercials, and live performances. The allure of music royalties is the potential for consistent, long-term income. Iconic songs and artists continue to generate revenue year after year, making this investment relatively recession-resistant. For instance, classics from legendary artists like the Beatles, Elvis Presley, and Michael Jackson continue to be popular and provide a steady stream of royalties to investors. In recent years, technology has made it easier for small investors to enter the music royalty market through platforms that allow you to purchase shares in a catalog of songs. This democratization of music royalties enables a broader range of individuals to participate in an industry that was once reserved for major labels and artists. It's important to conduct thorough due diligence when considering music royalties, understanding the potential for returns, the performance history of the songs, and the terms of the investment are crucial. While it's a unique and exciting investment opportunity, it's not without risks, and the market can be unpredictable. However, for those passionate about music and seeking a different avenue for financial growth, music royalties are worth exploring. Number 6. Artwork by emerging artists. The art world is a treasure trove of investment opportunities, and one particularly intriguing avenue is contemporary art by emerging artists. Keeping a keen eye on up-and-coming talent can lead to securing a piece that skyrockets in value. Don't underestimate the potential of the art world. Investing in emerging artists can be an incredibly rewarding endeavor. These artists are often at the early stages of their careers, and their work is still relatively affordable. However, as they gain recognition and their portfolio grows, the value of their artwork can appreciate significantly. Take, for example, artists like Jean-Michel Basquiat and Keith Haring, whose works were once affordable but are now sold for millions. One of the benefits of investing in emerging artists is the opportunity to support and nurture their talent. You become a part of their journey, and if their art gains recognition, your investment can become a source of pride and profit. That said, navigating the art world can be complex. It's essential to do thorough research, develop a relationship with the artists and galleries, and understand the art market's dynamics. Art valuation is often subjective, influenced by trends, collector demand, and critical acclaim. In recent years, the rise of online art platforms has made it easier for investors to discover and invest in emerging artists' work. The key is to remain patient and selective, choosing pieces that resonate with you and have the potential to gain broader attention in the art world. Investing in contemporary art offers the excitement of discovering new talent and the possibility of substantial financial rewards. If you have a passion for art and the patience to nurture artists as they grow, this could be a highly fulfilling and potentially profitable investment avenue. Number 5. Rare books. Let's turn the page to rare books. First editions and manuscripts from famous authors can be worth a small fortune, making this a fascinating and intellectually rewarding investment avenue. Rare books offer a unique opportunity to combine the love of literature with the potential for financial growth. Owning a piece of literary history can be incredibly fulfilling for those who appreciate the written word. First editions of timeless classics or manuscripts from renowned authors such as William Shakespeare, Jane Austen, or J.K. Rowling are highly coveted by collectors. The value of rare books often depends on factors like authorship, condition, scarcity, and historical significance. For instance, a first edition of To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee can fetch a substantial sum due to its literary importance and limited initial print run. Collecting rare books isn't just about buying and storing them. It's also about understanding their historical context and cultural impact. Serious collectors often immerse themselves in the world of bibliophiles, attending book fairs, joining literary societies, and networking with experts to stay informed about rare book markets. One exciting aspect of rare book investment is the potential for discovery. Sometimes, forgotten works or previously undiscovered manuscripts come to light, offering opportunities for significant returns. In a world that's becoming increasingly digital, rare books continue to hold their charm and value. They represent a tangible connection to the past and provide a sense of cultural preservation. For avid readers and history enthusiasts, rare books are not just a financial investment. They are a gateway to the world's most captivating stories and ideas. Number 4. Collectible coins. Coin collecting, often known as numismatics, isn't just a hobby. It's a hidden gem in the investment world. The allure of rare and historical coins goes beyond their monetary value. They can appreciate significantly, making a handful of coins a potential gold mine. What makes coin collecting unique is its fascinating intersection of art, history, and economics. Rare coins are not just pieces of metal. They are windows into the past. Coins can tell stories of ancient civilizations, important historical events, and even the artistic and technological advancements of their time. Investing in collectible coins requires a keen eye and a deep understanding of numismatics. The value of coins can vary greatly based on factors such as rarity, condition, historical significance, and demand among collectors. For instance, ancient Greek or Roman coins, American coins like the 1804 silver dollar, or special editions like the 1933 St. Gaudens double eagle are known for their high values. Collectible coins have a global market, with collectors and investors constantly seeking unique pieces to add to their collections. Numismatic auctions and coin shows are excellent platforms to explore, learn, and make acquisitions. In recent years, the internet has further facilitated access to this market, making it more inclusive for collectors and investors worldwide. For those intrigued by the idea of combining historical exploration with financial opportunity, coin collecting can be a rewarding and educational investment. It offers the satisfaction of preserving a piece of history while potentially enjoying long-term financial appreciation. Number 3. Cryptocurrencies. Of course, we can't forget about cryptocurrencies. While not uncommon in the digital age, some altcoins and tokens are quite unique, offering a remarkable blend of innovation and investment potential. With proper research and strategy, they can be a lucrative investment. Cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm in recent years. Bitcoin, the pioneer of digital currencies, made headlines with its meteoric rise, but the world of cryptocurrencies extends far beyond it. Altcoins and tokens represent a vast and diverse landscape of digital assets. Each has its own use case, technology, and community of supporters. What makes cryptocurrency investments intriguing is the potential for groundbreaking technological advancements. Projects in the blockchain space aim to revolutionize industries ranging from finance to healthcare. They often operate on decentralized networks, providing transparency, security, and efficiency. However, the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, with prices capable of soaring or plummeting in short periods. To navigate this space successfully, investors need a combination of patience, risk management, and a deep understanding of the projects they're investing in. While Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to be the most recognized cryptocurrencies, exploring lesser-known projects can lead to unique investment opportunities. Coins with innovative features, strong development teams, and real-world applications have the potential to grow substantially in value. In recent years, the DeFi, decentralized finance, and NFT, non-fungible token, sectors have gained prominence, offering exciting new investment avenues within the cryptocurrency space. Cryptocurrency investments have brought financial freedom to many, but they also require careful consideration and due diligence. As with any investment, it's vital to have a diversified portfolio and a long-term perspective when entering the world of digital assets. Cryptocurrencies are not only investments but also a testament to the evolving landscape of technology and finance. Number 2. Classic cars. Classic cars, often considered both a hobby and an investment, hold a special place in the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts. Vintage automobiles can indeed appreciate over time, provided you have a keen eye for iconic models and are dedicated to their maintenance and care. Investing in classic cars offers a unique combination of nostalgia, craftsmanship, and the potential for substantial financial gains. Here are some key aspects to consider. Historical significance. Classic cars often represent a particular era's automotive innovation, design, and culture. Investing in a vehicle with historical significance can be especially rewarding. For instance, the Ford Mustang's introduction in the 1960s revolutionized the automotive industry and remains highly desirable today. Rare models. Rarity plays a significant role in the appreciation of classic cars. Limited production runs or unique specifications can make a vehicle more valuable. The rarer the car, the more likely it is to appreciate over time. Maintenance and restoration. Owning a classic car requires dedication to its maintenance and, if needed, restoration. The better the condition of the vehicle, the higher its potential value. Regular upkeep is vital to preserve its originality and appeal. Market trends. Understanding the classic car market is crucial. Some models may experience periods of high demand and then wane, while others steadily appreciate. Staying informed about market trends is essential for making wise investment choices. Passion and enjoyment. Collecting classic cars isn't solely about financial gains. It's also about enjoying the driving experience and the sense of pride that comes with ownership. Moreover, classic car investments benefit from strong communities of collectors and enthusiasts. Car shows, auctions, and clubs provide opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals and access a wealth of knowledge. Whether you're passionate about automotive history or seeking alternative investment opportunities, classic cars offer a tangible and exciting asset class. While the market can be subject to fluctuations, iconic vintage models tend to endure and appreciate over time, making classic cars a timeless investment choice. Number 1. Solar power projects. Investing in solar power projects is a forward-thinking and eco-friendly investment opportunity that aligns with the growing global push for renewable energy. As the world grapples with climate change and the need for more sustainable energy sources, Solar power projects are emerging as an attractive and responsible investment choice. Solar power projects involve the installation and operation of solar panels and photovoltaic systems to harness the energy of the sun and convert it into electricity. The appeal of this investment lies in several key factors. Sustainability. Solar energy is clean and renewable, making it an environmentally responsible investment. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels, solar power projects contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Steady returns. Solar power projects can provide stable, long-term returns through power purchase agreements, PPAs, or feed-in tariffs. These arrangements often guarantee a predictable income stream over the project's lifetime. Government incentives. Many governments offer incentives, tax credits, and subsidies to encourage solar energy investments, which can enhance the financial viability of such projects. Growing demand. The global demand for clean energy continues to rise, creating opportunities for investors to tap into a growing market. Technological advancements. Ongoing advancements in solar technology and increased efficiency make solar power projects even more appealing. Investors interested in solar power projects should conduct due diligence to understand the specific regulations, incentives, and market conditions in their region. It's also essential to work with experienced professionals in the renewable energy sector. By investing in solar power projects, you not only have the potential for solid financial returns but also play a part in reducing carbon emissions and mitigating the effects of climate change, a truly impactful investment with a brighter future in mind. And there you have it, 9 uncommon assets that can actually make you a lot of money. Happy investing!